So back in 2021, I built a PC. If you guys don't remember, this was Mystic Wave. Mystic Wave was super cool. I mean, and it still is cool, and it's super relevant still to today's day, you know, but Mystic Wave is pretty much being stolen from me. I shouldn't even say stolen, but she wants this PC, my girlfriend that is. She's been eyeing this PC for a couple months now, and she really loves the Lee 11 XL case. Now the thing is, she doesn't really want me to build a brand new PC. She just wants this one, so she's most likely is gonna get this one, you know. That's why I'm building a new rig for myself, so we can go ahead and give her this one and make her a little happy camper. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna drain this PC. We're gonna go ahead and take all the hardware out. We're gonna clean it up, and she has something in mind. So she really likes the whole space theme and just stars and all that galaxy stuff, you know. So what we're gonna do is once we drain it, empty it out, we're gonna clean it, spray paint it, make it some kind of cool space steamy looking PC thingamajiggy. And what we're gonna do after that is put the hardware back in and give it to her. The PC will have a brand new home. I don't know if it'll still be called Mystic Wave at that point. Maybe she'll name it something else like Galileo, I don't know. But anyway, she won't be getting the 3090 though, because she really does not game, and if she does game, it's not really like games that are graphically intensive. So she will not have a graphics card for now until I can get my hands on either a 3070 or 3080. Then I'll go ahead and put that graphics card inside her PC, which should be fine because right now she's just doing schoolwork and streaming and browsing internet, so she's really not gonna mind. So it's all good. Plus this is an 11900K CPU, so that means that it has an integrated chip, dedicated video chip already on the CPU. So that's gonna be the plan. So let's go ahead and get that going for her, and we're gonna be starting this process in about 1, 2, 3, let's go. So now that we have everything unassembled, and I tell you guys this every damn time I take apart a water-cooled PC, I forget how long and how much the process can take just to get everything unassembled. Like, damn, like everything just took so long, but nonetheless we got it all finished, and you guys can see I got all the products and all the components and all the goodies on the table here. And now it's time to prep the case, get it ready for a custom paint job that, to be honest with you guys, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna paint it and hopefully it'll come out good. I can only wish. But yeah, space theme, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I had some ideas. Maybe, you know, we're gonna really focus on the bottom chamber of the chassis first. Try to do some kind of galaxy effect, you know, try to make it look nice and purplish and blue. Maybe throw a little glitter. Yeah, glitter on this bad boy, and get this ready to model on a runway. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have this model on a runway. No, but seriously, it's all prepped, it's all ready. It took a good minute to get everything out of here. I had to tubes, drain, take the components out. I'm gonna be cleaning because most of this stuff is going right back in there. And like I told you guys, this is gonna be a very overkill build. Why? Because the motherboard alone is a $1,400 motherboard that will have no GPU. No graphics card, and it's pretty much going to run on the dedicated integrated video chip that's on the CPU. So, you know, until I can get my hands on a 30 series card for her, that's what she's going to be using. So this is going to be an overkill build for her, but it's fine because it'll do the job. It'll do what she wants, and when we get the graphics card, we'll go ahead and pop that in, and you know, she'll be at least having a GPU, giving her the capabilities to game a little bit, and just do do those fun things that we all love to do and we all build PCs for. Okay, so let's get the painting process started. I will take this in the back where we're gonna start doing the custom paint job to it. Let it sit for a couple hours, maybe till tomorrow, and then go ahead and put everything back in the chassis and give her the PC. So let's get right to it. So now, as you guys can see, the case is painted and it's ready to put the components back inside the chassis. I did mess up, and I messed up big time, royal mess up, and it was pretty much my fault because like I said, I'm no artist, so don't shame me out there. But I tried to do some galaxy on the bottom and it just came out super horrible, and I was like, you know what, we're gonna tank this, scrap it. I just painted the inside black and then I spotted it with white paint. I did that because the chassis and the exterior is white, and I thought, you know what, we'll spray paint inside black and then we'll just bring the outside inside. And what I mean by that is if I can throw a couple whites in there, I can kind of give it that contrast where it's like bringing some of the exterior inside, but not too much. It's not an aggressive look, and it kind of does still look like space, you know, with the moon. And I don't know, I feel like it looks good. I showed it to her at the end and she likes it. And I kind of wish I could do the galaxy thing, but just because the bottom chamber is just, the width is not so, it's not big, so I wasn't really able to get those circular motions in when it came to spray painting. When I did it on a cardboard box, as far as like my practice run, and that came out good, but inside the PC, it just totally tanked. And I thought, you know what, let's just go ahead and switch things up and let's just do it this way. But yeah, PC is pretty much now ready to put the components back inside, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and put it all inside, fill her up with liquid, and boot it for her. And as far as the middle chamber right here for the side, I am just gonna cover these up with the panels that it came with from Lee & Lee. I was thinking about putting some fans here, but she's really not gonna need fans, so we'll cover those up. But I did forget to paint those as well, so I'll be painting those black, spotting them with white, and then we'll go ahead and just hook this up at the end. I don't need to do it right now. Nothing's really gonna protrude my clearance or anything like that from stopping me from putting them later, so that's all good. So we'll go ahead and just start putting everything back together and seeing what happens. And we're finished. Yes, the PC is done, and this calls for a celebration, and we are gonna have a few drinks. Well, I am. I don't know about you guys, but yes, I am really happy with the way the PC came out. I even added an astronaut on the bottom to give it that extra touch of space theme. We threw in some UV lights, UV strips that is, and I'm pretty happy. Now there is a few things that actually I'm kind of not happy about, and first being is the tubing. Now if you can tell, the tubes that go into the CPU, one of them is slightly off, and that is because I actually ran out of offset fitting, so I wasn't able to actually raise it up and try to get that looking good. But overall, I'm gonna have to order some offset fittings, and I will have to take care of that for her sometime, maybe next week or the next couple weeks. Everything looks good. I'm not used to a computer not having a graphics card. I feel like the bottom chamber is so empty, but like I said, I will be looking for a graphics card for her. Nothing too crazy, not like a 3080, 3090, probably a 3070, and try to pop it in so at least she can play her Sims, or if there's any games she likes to play in the future, she'll have that option. But overall, yes, PC looks good. We will be changing the colors. She'll probably go in with purple or blue, I don't know, whatever she likes, but I gave her the connections for her so she can change it right when she goes into Lee software, and she can play around with it and just customize it to her liking. Other than that, everything looks pretty much good. Just the tubing needs to be fixed, and then throw a graphics card in there just so she can be a little bit full, because like I said, it's very empty. I'm not used to it, but for the things she's gonna be doing, it's not gonna bother her for the meantime. And we will just throw in a graphics card when I get it in my hands. So yes, so guys, this was the PC. I know this wasn't a super crazy build. This was pretty much like a revamping, and I did lose a PC. This used to be my PC, but now it's going to her, which means I will be building a personal rig in the near future, and I'm talking about hopefully soon, very soon. Just trying to get my hands on some DDR5 memory, and we'll go from there. But let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think, and as always, I'm very appreciative for your support. Let me know what you guys think about this build, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also make sure to subscribe for more future content coming your way. And until next time, guys, catch you on the next one.